show you how we are able to download and deploy Bootstrap on our home Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 running gadget. Bootstrap is one of the maximum famous HTML, CSS, and JavaScript framework for growing responsive, self-friendly websites and web packages. So let's see how we can download and install Bootstrap on our machine. So initially open your favorite browser and just search for Bootstrap, and the primary link with the intention to see here can be from getbootstrap.com. So just click on this hyperlink, and in right here, you just want to click this download Bootstrap, and you will see right here three alternatives. One is download Bootstrap, different is download source, and third one is download SaaS. So one we are involved and is this one, and it is free open supply initiative, so you can download it at no cost. So simply click this button and it'll download a zip document for you. So click good enough. Now visit the folder in which you have established this zip record and simply extract this zip report any place you want. I am going to extract it in the equal folder, and interior this folder you will be capable of find three folders. One is CSS folder, different one is fonts, and one third one is JavaScript. So as an instance, we move into this CSS folder, and in right here, you will be capable of see some of the CSS documents related to the subject matters and layout. And this are crucial in our case whenever we need to start this Bootstrap project from the beginning. This CSS report is but on this one, and the basic distinction between these CSS files is the dimensions. So essentially both are almost the identical documents, but the length is distinctive. One is 120 kilobytes, and while you open this report, you'll be capable of see it is like a miniature record and compressed document. And whilst you open this different bootstrap.css document, you may be able to see that it's like you are everyday CSS record, which you may edit. However, for the great practices, you can need to create your very own CSS file for styling your HTML code. So once you have extracted your folder, what you can do is you may visit the identical folder where you have extracted your you already know this zip file, and inside the folder you could create an HTML report. For example, I am going to create a new HTML file. As an example, I'm going to call it as index.html. Okay, and I'm going to open this index.html, and in right here we will write a few code. So for the primary time, what we're going to do is we're going to visit as soon as again this website, which is getbootstrap.com, and on the right hand side you will be capable of see these tabs right here, and in here you may be able to see basic templates. You may click on this hyperlink, and in here there's a primary instance of this HTML5 which you may reproduction and paste it for your index.html, and in here I will make it a touch bit bigger, and here you could see a few tags, and you may be able to see this what's up global. So let's store this report and let's run it into the browser. So you can I am the use of Notepad++ with the aid of the way to edit my documents, but you could choose the editor you want the maximum so that you can both preview this HTML document by means of right-clicking, and you may open with your favorite browser like this, and it is going to show this Hello International. However, this isn't always the easy HTML. Good day world, you can see some design integrated already here, and this is how you may recognize run your first Bootstrap HTML file. And when we move interior this HTML report, you might be able to see this line of code, and this line of code is for the responsiveness of your browser, so that you understand you could use your website on cellular. And due to the fact Bootstrap is a cell-friendly you realize web framework, so we will visit this web page once more, and at the right-hand facet you'll be in a position to see this examples right here, so that you can click on any example and you can pick any instance from here. So for example, I'm going to pick out this case, and after I reduce this browser, you may be capable of see the responsiveness of the net page. So as an instance at the cell, it's going to look something like this, and to your normal you realize Windows browser it's going to look like this. So this is due to Bootstrap, and it's extra responsive proper. Now yet again we can go to our HTML page, and here we can see this Bootstrap.css that is taken from the CSS folder, and on the lowest you can see it makes use of jQuery for its plugins. So you can see this remark here necessary for Bootstrap's JavaScript plugins, so you need to include this jQuery document here. And the final line you can see is it is the usage of bootstrapment.js, and this Report you may discover within the GS folder in your extracted folder. Okay, so that is how you may download and installation Bootstrap and run your first Bootstrap HTML page. I desire you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.